us so many delicious chocolate, and we ate it all. It's amazing they have chocolate everywhere because Switzerland is very famous of chocolate. In the hotel room, they give us free chocolate. On the airplane, we had so much chocolate, even more than this Toblerone. They have a picture of Zurich on the wall. Guys, this hotel is awesome because they also have a cow. And we have an awesome decoration. Whoa! The balcony is awesome. Bye! I'm eating peaches, but I finished my cereal. Kind of. I'm eating fruit and pencil and cereal. After breakfast, we went to explore the old town of Seoul and start the chocolate adventure. Look at all the seagulls. And they make so many sounds. Welcome to Zurich. On the fountain. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I cannot tell you my wish because it's a secret. Here's the chocolate. I want this main course one. That one. You see? This chocolate shop is famous for Champagne Truffles. But our favorite chocolate was the candy orange slice. We bought some chocolates from the chocolate shop.
Ja, es hat noch einen Kredit drum, da bin ich froh.
Okay.
Da bin ich froh, dass ich das jetzt auch zahlen konnte.
There's a million chocolates. Caramel candy. Woohoo! Thank you. The lady gave us free caramel chocolate. We bought champagne truffles. It was like a magic chocolate land. So many chocolates. It's wet. Guys, I'm gonna show you something. Famous chocolate shop ever in Switzerland. There's so many macarons here. I has like this one, the angel one sleeping on the cloud. This chocolate shop has a really awesome cafe upstairs. That place is amazing inside. I ate too much chocolate and I feel sick now. I found so many pine cones. They're pine cones. And they're dirty. Yeah. It's a gold fountain. This country always has water and chocolate. Yeah. I think we are on the tram and we're going to loosen. On the train, we decided to eat all the chocolate we bought today.